Hare Krishna. Hello everyone. I am Deepak Kabra, a certified practicing numerologist, helping young adults and working professionals to overcome career uncertainties and unlock new growth opportunities. Today, we will discuss about today's date. Today is 25th September 2024. Any child born today, male or female, we will see what is driver, conductor, angel number, Kuwa number, personal year, missing numbers, what are today's born child lucky numbers, avoid numbers, what education he or she can go for, and what profession he or she can do in future. Okay, and many other things. So in brief, we will discuss today. See, so students, so everyone see here. So today's date is, as I have written here, 25th September 2024. Okay, so 7, 9, 8, 6. So driver is 7. Okay, conductor is 6 and Kuwa is 3. And for male, Kuwa number will be different, and for female, Kuwa number will be different. But for this year 2024, Kuwa number for male and female both are same, 3. So how to fill the grid now? See, so I'll fill it for you. So first we'll fill the date of birth. So 2, yes, 5, yes, 9, again 2, again 2, again 4, and then driver number 7, conductor number 6, and Kuwa number is 3. Okay, so now you can see this is driver, this is conductor. Okay, so we have filled the grid. So what are the missing number? What is the personal year? So I'll say personal year is so today is whoever is born. So personal year for today's date of birth is 6. Okay, yes, personal year, like 1 minute, 9, yes. So for today's date of birth is 6, and missing numbers are, so if we write in order, 1 is missing, 3 is missing, 8 is missing. Okay sir, and what are lucky numbers? So we'll write any child who born today, what are his or her lucky numbers. So lucky numbers are, so 1, 5, 6. Okay, and also these are the 3 lucky numbers, and also can go with 3, not 3, 5, 7, 5 already I have written. 1 minute. So 1, 5, 6 are lucky numbers. Little less lucky means little less sportive are some more numbers, but lucky numbers are 1, 5, 6. Avoid numbers, so what need to be avoided are like 3 and 9. You have to be very careful. So today's child, their name number should be on, name spelling number should be on. Any child born today, their name spelling total should be on 1. Yes, must should be on 1, student, 1. Name number total should be on 1. Okay na? Very important. Total should be on 1. Yes. And education, which education can they do, like commerce or science or arts? So they can go for not commerce. Commerce they should not go. They should go commerce. They can go, but they can definitely go for science. Okay, sir. Science and sports they can go. Yes, they can excel in sports. Any child born today will excel in sports. Sports and science. So science, medical or non-medical? Non-medical student. Non-medical. Okay. So non-medical they should go. Not medical. Okay. And profession, what they can go for? Like they can go for scientist. Yes, definitely. Research work. Scientist is research work. Occult science. Occult science means astrology, numerology, reiki. Yes, definitely. Teaching. Yes, teaching. Can they go for share market? Yes, they can do share market, but with proper research, with good knowledge, or else they may lose. They cannot do blindly, but they have to do with research. What else? They can go for restaurant. Yes, they can go, and many other business are there. What they should not do is like government jobs. They should not go for police. They should not go into police, government jobs, and doctor. They cannot mean they should not go for doctor, and they should not go for even like cooking side. Yes. So avoid professions are there, and many other suitable professions are there. So what they should not go, you should know that also. Suppose you may go there and then we may suffer. So education, I have said, non-medical will be good, sports will be excellent, and students, and see, if you can see, golden plane 456 is called golden plane. Golden plane means the best part of today's child born is like can achieve anything in life, can achieve anything in life. And 492 plane, this plane is also full. It is full in Amitabh Bachchan plane also. Will be very intelligent, like sharp memory. Okay, very creativity will be there, very creative. And 276 full, like Sachin Tendulkar, will do best in sports. Yes, they do action first, then they will think. They will act first, then they will think what will happen. So sometimes it may be problem also, because without thinking they are going to act. Yes, and they can, like 357 you can see here, this plane is also full. So 357, if it is full, so what, emotional plane means they will be emotional fool, but they will have big heart, they will be into spirituality. Yes. So we have discussed many parts about today's date of birth. So I hope you got some clarity, some clue where numerology will definitely help, and how the name spelling, as I said, name spelling should be on one of today's child. If it is not on one and any other anti number like 3 or 9, then it will be disaster and hurdles. And if it is on some other number, that will not support him or her. So name number should be on 1, 5 or 6, but it should be on 1, because 1 is missing, student. 1 is missing, and it should be on 1. 5 and 6 are already there. Okay na? And education, so I said non-medical. Science means he or she should take, may go for research field, may also go for engineering. Sports also they can do best. And in profession, as I said, research, occult science, many others, so on are there. If they discuss and if you consult with me, I will tell you in detail, customize. And if you ask for color, I will share a few colors like white color, which I wore today, white color, and all new colors, and green color and red colors are lucky. And avoid, they should avoid yellow and orange colors, yellow and orange colors. So today's date of birth I have told about colors, lucky number, avoid number, education, profession, name number should be on. Yes, personal year 6, how this year will be, this personal year is 6. So this year is lucky, 6 is anyhow lucky number. So this is their personal year 6. So personal year, if it is 6, so it is anyhow lucky. So child this year will be very sportive for him or her, for that child. So and 7 also will be good. 8 also be means average. But when 9 means like 5, 6, 7, 2027, when it comes 2027, yes, so it is 9. So one has to be very careful. So yes, so 2009 2027. So this is personal year 6. If this is personal year 6 2024, so 2025 will be personal year 7, 2026 will be personal year 8, 2027 will be personal year 9. So avoid number are 9. So personal year 9, one has to be careful. Okay na? So I hope you got it. Means how we consult, means this is like today's date of birth. So one date of birth we take, we find avoid numbers, lucky numbers. Sometime 6 will not be the lucky number of someone, 1 will not be the lucky number of someone. Yes, so this we need to see according to the one's like a date of birth. So can they go in non-medical, or can they do CA or LLB? No, this date of birth is not suitable for CA or LLB. They should not go for it. Yes, they can go in computer engineering, engineering side, science side, but that to non-medical, not for doctors. But yes, they can go sports, they will excel definitely. So from childhood they can be encouraged for science and sports, and really they will do best. Can they do business? Yes, they can do even business also. So business, many other are there, like restaurant business they can do. So I have written few of professions. One suggestion I will give, one remedy, they should offer water with in a brass, not brass, what do you say, copper vessel, one full copper vessel, and some red like red kumkum or red flour, or rice, means not cooked, raw rice should be kept in that copper vessel, and they should offer it to sun god within 1 hour of sunrise in the morning. Yes, it will help them to boost 1, because 1 is missing for them. And 1, if it is not there, they will be little shy, they will not speak much. Yeah, so for that, to boost that is very much required. And if name number is kept on 1, so 951 also will become full student. And if 951 will become full, the determination will be very strong, and they can they whatever they want to achieve in life, they will achieve it. The most important is 4 5 and like 4 5 6 golden plane, that is already full. I said they can achieve everything in life, like everything, they can achieve everything. Okay, thank you. So how name spelling is affect your success is very important. So I just said it is on name 1, but how to take it on 1, and why only on 1, and means this date of birth, some date of birth name will be on like 5, or some on 6, in rare chances on 3 also. So whose number should be, and all eggs should not be kept in one basket, it is a saying. Why? Means like if you say about mobile number, bank account number, yes, how the signature should be, and how, if like anyone is doing business, how the business should be. So these all are very important. And the starting letter should be so name, suppose a child born and we want to keep a name. So starting letter, what will be the good letter if we start with? What is the lucky letter? Means from 26 letters we have in alphabets. So how to start with? We can do that also. Many other things will bring sport for that child who born today. So in brief, I have told you about today's date of birth. Like this, every date of birth with every year will be changing. So we need to analyze deeply, and it will really help to overcome mainly what they want, to overcome career uncertainty and unlock new growth opportunities. Opportunities should go on, and if we are in the right direction at right time, we know what we need to do, we'll be so relaxed and will not be anxious or depressed or stressed. So we can work peacefully in one direction, so which is suitable for us. So thank you. So I hope you like this date of birth analysis of 25th September 2024. Thank you.